Love you too. Alright.
You're welcome, Mason. I didn't hear your mom. Nope. See? Truth comes from the children.
The ones are good.
Yeah.
Theirs are getting a little bit bigger.
These
Look,
here are
how
getting
cool
better.
would it be on that plane right there?
Oh, that'd be cool. Would be cool if you were at the window seat on the right side.
I'd be like,